What's up everyone? So today we've come to a place called Querétaro. It's about an hour and 30 minutes away from where we were previously in San Miguel de Allende. I thought I'd open up the video here in the place that we're staying because it is quite different to anywhere that we've stayed before. So this place here cost us around $10, $11 a night. You can see, really simple. Got this little like shower curtain here. So in here you have the toilet and like the shower all together. Here we got like a little dining room. So as you can see, it kind of almost looks like we're in a slum. Looks like a favela, right?
Yeah, but the entrance is nice because when you go out, you're in the middle of a square, a nice square. So.
Yeah, good location. I'll show you outside our place as well. So, got this funny door. But yeah, check this place out. Pretty interesting. Like I said, it does kind of seem like we're in a slum, but it's clean. We got good internet as well, so yeah, I'm not complaining. Like I said, only $10, so that's what $10 will get you in Mexico. And right now we're about to head out because we're actually going to another city nearby, or another little town called Bernal. It's supposed to be a beautiful colonial town, so yeah, we're just gonna head there now. I think it's about 40 minutes away.
Yeah.
Alright, so we've arrived in Bernal. It took quite a bit longer than we were expecting. It wasn't 40 minutes, it was over an hour. But yeah, it was like a nice countryside drive. And I can already say this place looks spectacular already. So look at that, right in front of us you have this giant monolith. That's one of the reasons we came here. So that rock right there, I think it's the third biggest monolith in the world, just behind the Rock of Gibraltar and the Sugarloaf Mountain in Rio. So yeah, that's amazing. And then behind us I can already see like an old colonial church, so that must be where the old town is. So we're gonna head there now. So it is a Monday, so this place is like pretty much a ghost town right now. There's just absolutely nobody here at all. But check this out for an amazing building, Iglesia. Not sure what this one's called, but yeah, it looks amazing, the colors. And even around as well. Check that building out, looks awesome. Looks like it's made out of candy.
Yeah, the colors.
Yeah. So this village was founded in like 1640, I think, and a lot of the buildings that you've seen around here are from like the 1700s. I think this church is from the 1700s as well. So yeah, just like San Miguel de Allende, pretty much everything you look at here looks beautiful. So it's funny because me and Carl had read that this place gets extremely packed on the weekends, and the blog that we read said, oh, go on a weekday because it just gets too busy and it's not fun. But we didn't expect it to be like this much of a ghost town, that's for sure. Literally just nobody in these streets at all. And all these stores here, there's like art stores, places to stay, restaurants, but they seem to be all closed at the moment on this road anyway. Did you expect it to be this quiet?
No, not at all.
It's a lot smaller than I thought as well.
Yeah, I read about that. People were saying that 1 day is enough. Like,
Oh, to visit?
Trip, yeah, day trip to Bernal is enough.
Here we got a Indian statue.
We barely see any indigenous people statues around here. It's usually a religious people or...
Just some white dude.
Yeah. I think this is the second one you saw, right?
Only, yeah, in Mexico. So that's cool, representing the natives. Guys, check the size of this cool cactus. That is big, isn't it? Crazy. So since there's not much going on in the village back there, we're gonna head up to the rock there and hike up it. Apparently you can hike up 80% of the rock. Some people take like climbing gear and stuff and they can go to the peak, but yeah, we don't have climbing gear, so yeah, we're gonna go 80% of the way there. From the village, it's a 20-minute walk to get there, so yeah, we're just walking there right now. What's this sign?
The animals.
Animals?
Like 2 different types of snakes.
Oh yeah, hope we don't run into these guys.
Again? No, not again.
Coyote as well. Let's do it. So we've officially started the trail now. It was 30 pesos per person to enter. The lady said it takes around, I think, 40 minutes to an hour to get to the top. And I don't think I mentioned before, it is 1,400 feet high, the rock. So yeah, if we're doing 80% of it, I guess that's still over 1,000 feet, right? So yeah, I think it's going to be pretty hardcore in this heat. Made it as far as we can go. That is what I call an epic view. So that's on one side, and then the village we were at is all the way down there. Crazy. What do you think, Carol?
Hardcore.
Hardcore. You can see even behind there's still a few little houses and stuff, but it's pretty much deserted over here. And here's the rest of the rock, the last 20%. You can see why you need rock climbing gear. No way you can get up there. So Carol actually read that the village is already 8,000 feet above sea level. So you're already at a high altitude to begin with. And then we climbed another 1,000 or even more. So yeah, that's why it was kind of tiring, but not bad. Luckily, very windy here right now. So yeah, that's awesome. And Carol also mentioned that this kind of looks like New Mexico or Arizona in the US. The landscape, very similar. So yeah, just really cool here. Anyway, I think it's time to get the drone out. think those drone shots are gonna look amazing. Looked amazing on my phone screen anyway, seeing the rock from far away. And here you can see we got some crosses here. I'm not sure if people died here climbing. There's one over there as well. And then over here we have like a little chapel. I'll show it you quickly. Check this out here. Not sure what it is actually. I don't know if it's a chapel or not. Got some candles in there. Didn't expect to find this up here. Yeah, so we're just gonna head back down now and probably get something to eat because we're both starving. So we've now come back to Querétaro again. We didn't know that the last bus to here was 6 p.m. so we had to come back in a rush, and we still haven't eaten. It's been about like 8 hours. In front of where we're staying there's all these like food stands and stuff, so we got some food. And right now we're on a pretty nice square that's right in front of where we're staying. So you can see you got this kind of like fountain thing, and then really cool church over there in the background. Another one over there it seems as well. Loads of people hanging out. And here's the food, tamales. So each one of these was 15 pesos, right? Yeah. Cheap. And I think we got cheese ones. Yeah. But there's some other ingredients in there, I'm not sure. Tomato, right?
Yeah, spicy.
Yeah.
It's
spicy.
Yeah, very spicy.
Yeah, very tasty though. So we got 4 here. Okay, back at our place now. Gonna close the video out, and we're obviously not gonna do anything else. We're both pretty tired. And it was another awesome day here in Mexico. Pretty much every single day that we've been out doing stuff, it's been, yeah, completely amazing. Really loved Mexico so far. And tomorrow we're gonna be heading to a place called Toluca, because the trip's coming to an end, so Toluca is where we're gonna get the plane. I might make a video there, because we do have a whole day there. I'm not really sure if there is stuff to do there, but yeah, we'll see. If there is stuff, I'll make a video. So yeah, let's see. Also, I never really mentioned on here, but if you want to keep up to date on our travels, you can follow us on Instagram, because there we always have like the Insta stories and stuff showing, yeah, where we are in real time, because the videos take a while to edit, so they're always a bit delayed by a few days or even sometimes weeks. It depends. So Instagram usually shows where we are currently all the time, so yeah, check that out if you're interested. And yeah, just once again, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.